Okay, the question is, how do you find out if a member in a framework is in tension or in compression? Assuming you've calculated the reactions correctly and drawn the force diagram correctly, then fairly simple procedure to determine this. You consider each member individually and you look at the end, you concentrate on the end of a member. So we'll look at this member here, which is in our force diagram CD, and we'll go to this end of it here, this joint here. Now if we look at if we go clockwise around that joint, if we go clockwise around the joint, just get a pencil here, we go clockwise around the joint, then this end, this member is known as DC. So we come down to our force diagram and we look at DC and we find that we go from D to C in that direction. So we take that direction over to our space diagram and put it on. If we'd gone to the other end of that member and gone around clockwise, then the member would be CD, and obviously CD is in the opposite direction to DC. So we put an opposite angle on there. This tells us that our member DC is in compression, okay, because the internal forces are reacting outwards, so they're reacting against a compressive force. So we're going to say that DC is compression. Okay, and for a more complex, just do that for every joint, or sorry, for every member at each end. And if it's a more complex framework than we're looking at here, then there's no difference at all. You just simply apply it to each individual member. Okay, hope that helps.